Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Alright y'all, so for this video, clearly I'm doing my hair. I am currently in the stage of where I'm dyeing it because the hair I got is jet black. My hair is natural black, so I need it to match. Today the hair I'll be using is this. It's Orte Quick Weave. It's a half wig in the shade jet black. It's 18 inches, so it's gonna be like right here on the collarbone. And yeah, it looks super cute in the picture. I hope it looks good on me. Like I said, I'm currently in the stage of dyeing my hair, but once I finish dyeing my hair, I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna apply it. I never did this before, so this will be my first time doing it on camera with y'all. And like I said, I hope it just turns out good. So yeah, stay tuned for when I'm ready to install this half wig. Alright y'all, so I just washed my hair. It's still half wet. I try to dry it, but then I realized, I'm like, why am I drying my hair if it's supposed to match this texture? So I don't know what I'm doing clearly. But let me take it out the pack. And okay. I feel like this curl pattern is too loose, but I feel like I can make this work. Alright y'all, so this is what I got in the style Misha. I wanted the style Penny, but they didn't have it, so to me this is the next best thing. I'm so worried this is not gonna come out the way I want it to. This hair look mad big. This hair look mad big. I'm brushing it out because I feel like the curls are too curly. Like, it's not, my hair is not curly like that, so I'm trying to brush it out so that it's a little bit more puffy, it's a little bit more frizzy on purpose. Because yeah, the curls are too curly for me. I want it more frizzy. I want the frizzier look. And now I'm gonna separate the front of my hair to the back of my hair. So just give me 1 second while I do that. Alright y'all, so I put the half wig on. As you can see, it's really bouncy. I'm gonna have to trim it for sure because there's a lot going on. So I gotta trim it to my face. I like it. I just wish it was like smaller curls. So, and then this is my hair right here. So I'm gonna have to like curl it. I'm gonna have to curl it so it can match. I feel like I got this. Like I got this. I can fix this, tweak it, and make it look how it's supposed to look. I got this. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to try to trim this to my face. I don't know if I'm supposed to be combing it, probably not, but I want the curls to be like less curly. I just realized this hairstyle is gonna be mad hot. Like it's already summertime and this is gonna make me hot. I already know. This hair is gonna make me hot. What the hell? What the hell is good? I'm kind of struggling, but I think I kind of got the gist of it. Alright y'all, so what I did was spray my natural hair with water. This is what I use, it's rice water. You could just use regular water. Then I use some of this jam, put it in my natural hair. Girl, I'm struggling. Then I use some Eco. I don't know, I'm just using everything I have. Like, I use some Eco, put it on my natural hair. It's starting to blend. It's starting to blend. I'm just trying to figure out, hold on. I'm just trying to figure out how to make this hair flatter. Like it's too, like, in my opinion, it's too big. Like it's just too big. Like how do I, hold on. I think about me, I'm not afraid of a pair of scissors. Like, cut at an angle. I'm trying to cut it. Good. It's too much. Like, it's just too much going on. Let's see if I can like cut it. I think this is synthetic hair too, so I hope this lasts me long, because girl, I don't know how to take care of my natural hair. Let me see if I can take care of fake hair. Maybe I could do like a side part thing. I should have waited till my birthday to do this, because I'm kind of fucking with it. I like it, but now it's like, damn, like, it's like, wow. I didn't even do my edges yet. I kind of just pushed it out a little bit, but I didn't do it yet. All right, so let me, hold on. I'm trying to figure out how to flatten the hair more. I think this is synthetic hair, but I'm just worried that I think it's synthetic because I don't know how to take care of synthetic hair. Like, I'm worried I'm gonna mess it up and I'm gonna have to buy a new one. But my birthday's in 2 weeks, so in the next 2 weeks, I will, I could just take this out. But I'm gonna try to wear this for 2 weeks. I'm gonna do my edges now. I'm just using the same products I always use for my edges, which is Eco Gel and hold on, let me show y'all. Ooh, girl. Alright. I'm just worried like this hair is too big. I'm scared. Like, it looks good, don't get me wrong. I'm not used to this big hair. I'm not used to it. But it looks cute. I like it. I fuck with it. So I'm gonna just do my edges. But like I said, I didn't even braid my hair in the back. I blow dried it and I put everything back. Speaking of, hold on. Speaking of, let me take this out. Speaking of, let me add some oil in my hair because I just washed my hair and it's dry. See, like, this is what it look like in the back. Let me add some oil. Ooh, got my ear. I'm using Sacred by Beyonce because why not? If her hair look like that, girl, let me get some of her products, girl. And clip it in right here, right there. Ooh. Make sure it's covering that all the way. Bring it all the way to the top, all the way to the top. I like the idea of trying to make it into like a side part. There's no parts to it though. I just realized, girl, you can't part this hair. You can't part it, but you can like move it to the side or something. Try to blend it in with the fake hair. Is the hair too big? I'm not usually like a big hair girl. That's why I'm like, oh my gosh, it's too much. In the top tier right with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. The grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
When I'm with you, how can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do.
Alright, so right now I'm done. All I'm gonna do is tie this down. And for the next 2 weeks, I'm gonna be wearing this hairstyle for the next 2 weeks, girl. Cause I like it. I'm glad I was able to do this hairstyle though. Like, girl, it came out so good. I was so worried it was gonna come out like looking crazy. But it looks good. It's just that I'm not used to wearing big hair. It's my first time wearing big hair, so I'm like, oh my gosh. But it actually looks pretty good. I like it. Oh, I like it, I like it, oh, I like it, I like it, oh, I like it, I like it, oh. But yeah, so now I'm gonna just tie it down, and then, why does it look like this? Hold on. You gotta finger comb with this hair, you're supposed to finger comb it. Whoops. I didn't know that. So I'm just finger comb, and then I'm gonna show y'all the end results in like a couple minutes. This hair is so bouncy, I love it. Alright, yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all the end results in like 2 seconds, so stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so this is the final product, the final presentation. I'm happy with it. This is my natural hair in the front. It's trying its best to curl, but it's still a little bit coarse and coily, but it's still curling up here, so you know, it's doing what it has to do. Okay. At the end of the day, I am satisfied with how it came out. Just know this is not going to be my first curly half wig I'm gonna get. I'm gonna get more, because this, I feel like SZA in this hair, girl, and yeah, I like it. So very quick, very easy, and I will be doing this again, so stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and comment on some more videos you want to see. Until then, I'll see y'all next time.